Ever wondered how your culinary adventures could be enhanced by using fresh garden produce? Imagine the burst of flavor from ripe tomatoes, the crispness of homegrown lettuce, or the vibrant color of freshly plucked bell peppers. Using fresh garden produce not only adds a punch of flavor to your meals, but also loads them with nutrients. From herbs to vegetables, fruits to edible flowers, the garden offers a plethora of produce to experiment with. Let's dive deeper and explore the world of garden produce and its magic in the kitchen. Have you ever explored the variety of flavors that your garden has to offer? Picture the vibrant herbs, their aroma transforming simple dishes into culinary masterpieces. Visualize the rainbow of vegetables, their crunch and color adding depth and nutrition to any meal. Imagine the sweet, tangy burst of homegrown fruits, their freshness unbeatable. Each of these garden treasures holds unique flavors and benefits, capable of elevating your cooking to new heights. With the right produce, your kitchen can turn into a gourmet paradise. Do you know how to make your dishes burst with flavors using fresh garden produce? Let's dive in. Pairing different types of produce can elevate your dishes. Think juicy tomatoes with fresh basil or crunchy bell peppers with sweet corn. Storing them properly is key too. For instance, root vegetables like potatoes and onions prefer a cool, dark place. Remember, the fresher the produce, the more potent the flavor. Cooking with fresh garden produce is not just healthy, it's a culinary adventure. Ready to embark on your culinary adventure with fresh garden produce? We've journeyed through the bounty of the garden and explored the joy of cooking with nature's freshest ingredients. The benefits are clear: vibrant flavors, enriched nutrition, and the satisfaction of seeing the fruits of your labor come to life in your kitchen. Truly, there's nothing quite like it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more such culinary adventures. Happy cooking!